Welcome to JDM Motor Vibes, your go-to destination for everything automotive, where we bring you in-depth reviews, latest features, and honest insights on both JDM legends and global car releases. In this video, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Chevrolet Cobalt, a nameplate that's making a noteworthy return to the market with a fresh design, improved technology, and a focus on efficiency and practicality. Whether you're a longtime fan of the Cobalt or just exploring compact sedans, this review covers everything you need to know. The 2025 Chevrolet Cobalt re-enters the compact car segment with a modern and athletic design. It's clear that Chevrolet has put serious thought into refreshing the Cobalt with sleek body lines, a bolder front fascia, and LED lighting elements that bring it in line with the brand's current design language. The proportions are balanced, offering a confident stance on the road while remaining practical for daily driving and urban maneuvering. Under the hood, the new Cobalt offers a choice of two powertrains, depending on the market. The standard engine is a 1.5-liter naturally aspirated four-cylinder, which delivers around 120 horsepower and is tuned for fuel efficiency and reliability. For drivers seeking a bit more punch, there's a turbocharged 1.3-liter option offering around 155 horsepower. Both engines are mated to either a 6-speed manual or a continuously variable transmission, depending on the trim and region. The driving experience is smooth and composed, with refined suspension tuning that absorbs road imperfections well, especially for a car in this price range. Inside the cabin, the 2025 Cobalt impresses with a surprisingly premium feel. The dashboard features soft-touch materials and a layout that's both clean and driver-focused. An 8-inch infotainment touchscreen is standard across most trims, supporting Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Chevrolet's infotainment system is intuitive and quick to respond, and physical controls are retained for climate and volume, which many drivers will appreciate. The seats are well cushioned and provide good support for both short commutes and long drives. Rear legroom is respectable for a compact sedan, and trunk space is generous, making it a practical choice for small families or commuters. Safety is another area where the 2025 Cobalt steps up. Standard features include forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, lane keep assist, and a rear-view camera. Higher trims add blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and adaptive cruise control. These features bring the Cobalt closer in line with rivals like the Honda Civic and Toyota Corolla, giving buyers more value for money. When it comes to driving dynamics, the Cobalt handles corners with confidence. It's not a sports car, but it offers a composed ride and light steering that makes it easy to maneuver in city traffic or tight parking spots. The turbocharged version has a bit more character, providing quicker acceleration and more responsive power delivery when merging onto highways or overtaking. Fuel economy is one of the strong suits of the 2025 Cobalt. The base engine offers excellent efficiency, with combined ratings expected to be around 35 miles per gallon. The turbocharged engine also does well, thanks to its small displacement and smart engineering. This makes the Cobalt a great option for those looking to save at the pump without sacrificing practicality or comfort. In terms of trims and customization, Chevrolet offers the Cobalt in several variants. The base LS trim is well equipped for the price, while the LT adds more tech and convenience features. The Premier trim brings in premium touches like leather upholstery, a power driver's seat, upgraded audio system, and additional safety tech. There's even a sport-inspired RS version in some markets, which includes sporty design elements and unique wheels for a more aggressive look. What makes the 2025 Chevrolet Cobalt stand out is how much it offers for the price. It delivers solid build quality, respectable performance, and the kind of features buyers want in a modern compact sedan. It's not trying to be flashy or over the top, but it gets the job done with style and substance. Whether you're a first-time buyer, a student, or someone in need of a reliable second car, the Cobalt deserves serious consideration. Thanks for tuning in to this review on the 2025 Chevrolet Cobalt. If you enjoyed this video and want more detailed reviews, automotive news, and comparisons, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. This is JDM Motor Vibes, where your car passion comes alive. See you in the next video.